Welcome to my channel. Talktalk router flashing orange. Talktalk LED blinking orange. 1. Check your connections. Ensure all cables are securely connected, including the power cable, Ethernet cables, and the DSL line. 2. Restart the router. Turn off the router, wait for 30 seconds, and turn it back on to refresh the connection. 3. Check for internet service status. Verify if there are outages in your area by visiting the Talktalk router status page. 4. Wait for initialization. After restarting, give the router a few minutes to stabilize and connect. A steady white or green light indicates success. 5. Test the line with a different device. Connect a device directly to the router via Ethernet to check if the issue is limited to Wi-Fi. 6. Reconnect cables. Unplug and reinsert all cables to ensure they are firmly seated and functional. 7. Reset the router. Press and hold the reset button, usually at the back, for 10 to 15 seconds until the lights change. Note, this will restore factory settings. 8. Check DSL filters. If you're using a DSL connection, inspect the filters on your phone line for damage and replace them if necessary. 9. Update firmware. Log into the router's admin panel via 192.168.1.1 or a similar address, and check for firmware updates. Install if available. Thank you for watching.